reporting. Senator Hatch calling Democrats idiots and amazingly stupid. It was among what he told Manu about this for delaying the confirmation of so many of Trump's nominees. Are your colleagues delaying the inevitable? I mean, we all know the reality. Almost all of these folks, if not all, are going to get confirmed, and this whole waiting is leaving America's most important institutions leaderless and dysfunctional.
I think Democrats need to thoroughly vet these nominees, even if the result is ultimately going to be their confirmation because the Republicans have their votes. If nominees aren't being fully candid, if their background checks haven't been fully completed, they ought to demand that they get the thorough vetting they should before any of them vote on this. So I think they're doing what they need to do, but I think, frankly, all of this will be overshadowed by what happens beginning later tonight, because I think, frankly, Senate Democrats need to vigorously oppose any Supreme Court justice that isn't every bit as moderate as Merrick Garland. To do anything else will simply reward the GOP for leaving a seat vacant for an entire year, depriving the last president of an appointment. And we will see that happen again unless we insist on a moderate in the mold of Merrick Garland.
But you're not getting that. Right?
We may not get it, and if we don't, then I think we ought to filibuster and oppose anyone who doesn't meet that test.
So hold that vacant as long as you possibly can, making the vacancy even longer and even worse?
I think we ought to insist on a consensus choice, because anything less will reward the Senate Republicans for what I think was the most severe debasement of the Supreme Court we've ever seen. We will see that tactic again if it is rewarded. So it's more than just a tit for tat. It is I think, a repudiation of what the Republicans did. So I think they need to insist on a consensus and moderate candidate, or if I were in the Senate, I would vigorously oppose any new conservative to the court.